Setting up the Goodbudget app is a straightforward process. To begin, download the app from either the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your mobile device. Upon opening the app, you'll need to create a new account by providing an email address and creating a password. Goodbudget utilizes the envelope budgeting system, where you allocate funds to various categories based on your budget. Once your account is set up, you can start creating envelopes by categorizing your expenses. Allocate funds to each envelope according to your budgeted amounts for different categories. Whenever you make a purchase or incur an expense, record the transaction in the app and assign it to the appropriate envelope, entering the amount spent. Goodbudget also offers the option to sync your bank accounts for automatic transaction import. Simply follow the prompts to securely connect your accounts if you choose to do so. Choose your budget period based on your income and bill payment frequency. Goodbudget will assist you in tracking your spending and managing your budget within this period. Monitor your spending throughout the budget period to ensure you stay within your allocated amounts for each envelope. If you overspend in a particular category, adjust your budget accordingly by reallocating funds from other envelopes or reducing discretionary spending. Goodbudget allows you to make these adjustments as needed,